guys, my name is Miranda, and I'll do a TikTok dance. Then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today. So, ready? 3. I'm gonna show you 2, but I don't know the song, so I'm just gonna go with the dance. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hand. And then the next one is this one. Look, let me remember it. Okay, so then I have some slimes. I'm gonna open. So sorry about that. So let's take this one now. Okay, so I have this slime that's very like fun. Yeah. You see this grease slime when it stretches? Let's try to make a swirl. Have this. So nice, right guys? Poopy. I don't think. Bill. Stay gone. Stay gone. Oh. Okay, now Alexa, this one. Let's just take it down. Does it bulk?